Hello everybody, welcome to the video to the channel. I'm Guy from the Secret Society, and welcome to another video. This is going to be the start of our DIY series onto the Secrecy Society channel. So, this is going to be episode number 1, of course, and to start off with a special DIY, we're going to be doing the Supreme white and red cap. I have a cap over here. These are also the only things we're going to be using. We're going to be using a red and white cap, and we're also going to be using a piece of red foam. It's just some foam paper. It's red. We're going to stick this bad boy onto the cap, and that's pretty much going to be all that we're going to be doing. So if I just show you what the Supreme cap actually looks like. Okay, so yeah, this is the actual Supreme cap. Yeah, it's a Supreme cap white, of course. And yeah, this is the closest we can probably get to. You know, it's just Supreme logo on top, a white cap. Of course, this cap over here is like not necessarily all white, but it should work good enough. And if we actually look up the price for this, alright, so y'all can see that this right here, this white cap, says Supreme, of course, is worth a whopping $54. If you can just, if it can focus there. And there we go, more or less, $54. And this right here, this was worth $2, and this paper over here was about 50 cents, more or less, equivalent to the currency that's used in my country. So we're going to be doing a DIY for that, but for that we're going to need the Supreme logo first, because we're going to print out a bit of that logo, and we're going to basically crop it over the foam paper, and that's actually the printer. We're going to crop it over the foam paper, and that's how we're going to actually know. That's how we're actually going to, like, be able to put the logo onto the cap. So it's got to be like this one over here, right? Maybe a bigger one. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay, let's copy that image. Let's open a Word file, and I'll cut right back to you once I have the thing printed, and when I'm just getting ready to crop it over. Okay, so see you then. Alright, so I traced it out with a little pencil. You can see right here, this is what I use. I basically punched little holes into it. And this is what we got. I actually just traced out with a little pencil, you know, just to know, like, the outline and all that. So now basically what we're going to do, because it looks perfectly fine on the other side, like it looks perfectly smooth, it's just on this side, where we're going to use some scissors, a pair of scissors, these bad boys, and we're going to cut out a bit of it. So yeah. Yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna cut ahead. It's probably gonna be just a little time lapse of me cutting out this little piece of paper, which is probably gonna be the most complicated part of it. But yeah, it's good. So yeah, see you then. Guys, we finally got this thing cut out. It actually took me a good like 5 minutes just to do that. And if you see here, but right there, looks just like the Supreme logo. If you see it right there, like you can like easily compare these two, and like I can't tell the difference, honestly. Now what we're gonna do is get this thing right there, and we're going to stick this bad boy right on top of this. So yeah, I'm gonna cut ahead in the video until we do that, like right there. You see that right there? We're just gonna use some I think I'll just use some tape, honestly. Yeah, I think I'll just use some tape. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now. So yeah, later. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna be using some glue over here. I'm gonna just stick this over here on top of this little cap right there. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now. Alright guys, we are officially done. Right there is the Supreme cap. This is a beauty. If anything, I think this is like made of way better materials than the actual Supreme cap, and for way cheaper. Like, just look at that. It looks identical. You couldn't tell the difference. Like, hypebeasts these days, you know, they won't tell the difference between this and an actual Supreme cap. Like, yeah, like this is legit. Like the best thing we've ever done. So this is actually the first time I'm going to be putting on this cap. So yeah, it's right here. Still has a tag and everything, and right there. It's kind of like on the other, like opposite, because of the camera stuff and that. So actually, hold on. Let me like get a better view of this. Let me just extend this out a bit. That should be good enough. And let's actually get rid of the tag. And this is the Supreme cap right there. If you can see, it says Supreme. So it's Supreme like that. It's kind of weird because of the, you know, lens in it switches everything around. And we literally spent about 10 minutes doing this cap for like, how much did we spend? Like, say $3 max, $5 max for one of these. When the website says that you have to like spend $60 for a cap, just that looks just like this. And I think this one looks better because it has a bit of red on here and on the back. There's just a bit of white there with the Supreme logo. So yeah, this is going to be the official end of the DIY. So, and in case you haven't like been to my room before, I think it's actually the first video I've ever done in my room. So yeah, you can see a bit of background stuff. I think you can just barely see Iron Man and I don't know what else. But yeah, this is definitely not going to be the last DIY video that we're going to be uploading to the channel. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. So yeah, this has been Supercat DIYs episode 1. And yeah, so yeah, about time to say goodbye, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Later.